Hey guys, welcome back. We have a really neat one today. This one again comes from the lot that Matt sent us. I need to talk to him. Just sent a text back and forth with him yesterday, and he really needs to hang on to this one. What we have here is the 20th anniversary of the Ironman watch, the Timex Ironman. And I believe this came out in 1998. You guys correct me if I'm wrong with that. But I believe this came out in 1998, and it's all metal. These are kind of sought after. The quality on these is much better than a normal Timex Ironman. You can see that it has the screw down back, where most of them will have that 4-screw, and with the gasket in there behind it. It's got a push crown here, start-stop buttons here, and probably the Indiglo here and the set buttons here. Let's get a couple of quick specs on this. Let's go with case size. It's about 40.6 millimeters. Let's go to lug to lug. Lug to lug is about the same. Let's go the lug width. Lug width's about 20, a little bit under to fit the band in, maybe, possibly. Let's do the case thickness, and we're talking about 11 there. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing running, see if we can get this back to him. He really should hang on to this in the collection. Let's see, what kind of battery are we talking here? Looks like a 2016 battery, which is pretty normal for those Timexes. We're going to get our spanner wrench, see if we have to put this in the vise to get this apart. So we're going to go ahead and remove that back and dig into there. Alright guys, easy to get the back off. 2016, you can see this was made in the Philippines. It does have a note here, after battery insertion, press to reset. Almost never have to do that, but we will see on this one. Looks like we got a couple of small screws to remove to get this battery out, and we will attempt that quickly. Oh, I guess there is a third screw. I missed that. Let's get that one. We'll see if we can just loosen this, not take it all the way out. Yeah, it looks like we're going to have to take it all the way out, since the battery is... Let's see if we can get it. No, we're going to go ahead and take it all the way out. The battery is stuck pretty good to the sticker. Alright, there's the original 2016, and I know I say this in every video, but if you need watch batteries, click my link below. I buy mine on Amazon. And we're going to go ahead and stick that back on there, like so. And then I believe we were like this. Yes. Now let's see if we got, oh look at that, working fine. No need to press that pad, so we're going to go ahead and put the back on. You know what, we're going to take a little Q-tip and clean that off first. Gasket looks in good shape, so we'll just clean it off. Alright, we got a little bit cleaned off. We'll clean it really good once we get this back on there. And again, my trick, you got to get it level, so I push it with 2 fingers and give it even pressure as I spin it. Then I'll use my spanner to tighten it all back down good. Now let's get into some time setting on this. Let me get my trash out of the way. Alright, you guys see that okay? So to set it, looks like we hold, and it just keeps saying hold. Alright, let's try this. We got mode, we got chrono timer, alarm, and then back to time. You know what? I think we are going to have to reset that. Look at that. it just totally stopped. I've never seen that before. Huh, something new. Alright, let's touch the pad to reset it. Finally, we get to do this on a video. I've never had to do this that I can think of. I thought we were running. I guess I need to pay closer attention. So let's get this back, twist it back off. Now, it says, after battery insertion, press that to reset. That reset it. Now we're running. Alright, and all I did was take my tweezer and touch that gold pad. So let's go ahead and get our back on there. Again, pressing on each end to make sure it goes even, doesn't get any cross threading. Take our spinner back. Alright, we got it back on tight. Oops, we're upside down. So now let's try this. Hold. Okay, now we're moving. And let's see, we're probably going to have to press this mode button. So let's get a time. It looks like it is 6:45. Oops, wrong one. Let me go back. Start this over. So we're going to do... Now let's try that again. Aha! This is a little different. Let's hold this in. Okay, and then we'll go start, and then, nope, not that one. So it's got to be the other one. So let's go to 12. And we're on AM, so we are 6:45 PM. 6. Get to the next one. Actually, we're going to call this and I am pressing the split reset button to change the minutes and hours. Let's call it 46. Let's call it 47. And then we are July 30th. Oh, I went past it, dang it. And we are Saturday. 12 hour. We'll take it. And then press our set, and we are done. And we are all set. That's all there is to it. So, just to recap, hold this in to set the time. You can change to different areas of where you need to change day, hour, minute with the start stop or the mode button, and then you change your numbers, your minutes, hours, day, date with the split reset button. When you're done, just press set. Indiglo works good. Yeah, this is a beautiful watch. Beautiful 20 anniversary. Nice and heavy. Nice and heavy. Nice band. We're going to scrub it up a little bit, and then we'll get some, as we always do, get some macros of this, some shots on the wrist. And I'm taking this baby back to Matt, our viewer contribution person. He really should hang on to this. This is a beauty. I think on eBay it'll go for 100, 120 bucks in good working condition. It does have some wear on the letters on the buttons, but other than that, I think we can clean this baby up pretty good. And get it back to him. Yeah, definitely. He should hang on to this. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for the shots, and we'll see you next time.